Someone in our viewing and listening audience who's looking for a mentor, what advice would you have for them in finding a connection?
I think sometimes it really does happen accidentally, like Laurel said. So in my case, it was very accidental. But if you were consciously looking for a mentor, which is also a very beautiful process, I would say two things. I would say, number one, find someone who has the energy, who's become the person that you aspire to be,
Yeah.
right? And if that person's willing to take you on, what you want to see reflected ideally is that they can see you getting to where you want to go. Like they hold the standard so high that you are then moving up to the standard, right? So they're living the standard themselves,
Right.
and that they are able to hold it for you in such a beautiful way. I would
That's
say that's
wonderful advice. Yeah, that's really wonderful advice. And Tara, what would you like to add to that?
I would say if anyone's looking for a mentor, a great place to start is to get specific with what you're looking for. I think the weakest request is, well, can I pick your brain? Like, no, you don't brain.
No one has time for that.
What you're looking for might change, so still be curious, still be flexible of what the mentor relationship is gonna uncover, but be specific, right? I'm looking for, I have a goal, I have an end point that I want to reach, I know what that looks like, and I need someone to guide and bridge. The mentor, again, they have a wealth of information to share and skills and guidance. They need direction as well. Like, what am I helping you?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's going to be a waste of time for everyone.
Yeah, that's so true. Mia?
Yeah, I just have a comment about, I believe as mentors, we're all there to create a ripple effect. And on the flip side, there has to be great stillness in order to experience the ripple, right? So our mentees have to be ready. So what's the intention behind the ripple effect? And is the mentee ready? Because it's in that great stillness that all of that beauty, that wisdom, that knowledge, that energy can actually be received.
Oh, that's so true.
And I'll add on to that with the space, the stillness, and for me, looking for a mentor is someone who has that, who's going to give me that space to explore and to find my own path. So it's influential, it's inspiring. Here's what I can share, but offer that space for that individual to just explore and make it their own.
Yeah, so true.
Wait, there's more. I am sharing with you my frameworks and resources to improve your speaking skills. Everything I know. You can download them for free at speakingresource.com. Like this video, there's more of that too. So subscribe and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, speak remarkably.